We were very lucky nga to have as our main sponsor yung Speaker of the House.
Airsoft hobby is a type of activity wherein their enthusiasts are determined to make the game recognized as a sport and not as another waste of time. The formation of an airsoft team in Congress met some opposition during its start. This is attributed to the lifelike equipments used in the sport, which triggers fear because even the guns look very real.
A lot of people don't realize also that the qualities of this sport is really present as with any sport. Honesty, integrity, sportsmanship, and I guess ang hindi rin nila nakita is that airsoft really is a team effort, and it actually builds a lot of camaraderie between the team members. Hence, we have this first Speaker Nograles intergovernmental agency speedball competition.
Participants of the Nograles Cup competition are from local government units and government agencies. All in all, 12 teams entered the competition. City of Malabon, LTO East Avenue, PNP Security Agencies and Guards, Silang Water District, PhilHealth Insurance Corporation, City of Trece Martires, PCSO Airsoft Team, PSC, National Dover Corporation, Bureau of Immigration Tactical Airsoft Group, Team Bayani, and DENR. The competition was brought about by the vigilance and constant representation of the House of Representatives Airsoft Club.
Nag-pull together yung minds ng mga employees ng House of Representatives para mabuo nga itong airsoft competition na ito.
HORAC received a lot of petitions from different government employees who played the sport to create their own competition. This is because government employees are not usually in competition because of schedule problems.
Big dream po ng HORAC ito, ng House of Representatives Airsoft Club, na in the future, magkakaroon na rin po tayo ng mga Mindanao at saka Visayas eliminations para naman po ma-accommodate din yung mga government agencies na nasa Visaya at saka sa Mindanao.
Many have apprehensions if airsoft games should be considered a sport. Before being judged, enthusiasts hope that the positive qualities of playing airsoft would also be recognized.
These are not all frills, these are not all fashion statements or aggressiveness. This is actually a non-contact / full contact sport.
For GNN Newscast, J4 Sabale reporting.